Confused, sir? Wondering which quality car offers exceptional value for money? Take a look at Proton. 10 4- and 5-door family cars with a difference. Galvannealed steel key body panels, the latest multi-valve engines. Try this luxurious 1.5. Central locking, power steering. Standard, sir. Electric windows. Sunroof, 5-speed gearbox, Blaupunkt stereo. And great guarantees. 6-year long-term warranties. And you can have any Proton with only 2% finance, APR 3.7. Or pay only 10% deposit with our carefree motoring plan and get 2 years servicing and road tax free. And 2 years insurance for only £99. And on top of all that, the really big difference between Proton and the major manufacturers is price. Any questions?
Yes. Can you repeat that for my wife?
Confused, madam? Wondering which
The
quality
new
car offers
generation
exceptional
of
value for money?
Proton cars. Clearly exceptional value.